If you want to add a widget to the home screen on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen. Once you go into this editing mode, then over here at the bottom we have the widgets option. First you will see some example widgets that of course you can use if you want to, but then you can also scroll down in order to see the list of apps that you have on your phone that also have widgets that allow you to use some widgets. So let's say I'm gonna go over here. As you can see, we have some example widgets that we can use, and let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. You can either tap on the widget in order to find the add button, or you can press and hold your finger in order to start dragging the widget around, and then you can place it pretty much anywhere. In some cases you can also grab by the corners in order to resize the widget. There we go. As you can see, there are some resizing options available in this specific case. However, keep in mind that not every widget can be resized, or in some cases some widgets have limited options in the case of resizing. If you don't have these corners, you can press and hold your finger on the widget in order to find them again, if it's of course possible to use them. Besides that, another way to use a widget, if you have an app from which you want to get a widget, you can press and hold your finger on that app, and then over here in these additional options you can find widgets button, and then you can see widgets just from that specific app. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. We can press and hold our finger again and drop it anywhere. The rest is pretty much the same. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.